Hello and welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to access your participant page on our website. Let's get started. Firstly, visit our website at leadingedgeseminars.org/member-login. Now sign in using the email and password you created during registration. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the My Account dashboard. Navigate to the left side of the screen and click on My Courses. Choose the specific course you'd like to access by clicking on the title or selecting View. Next, locate and click on Participant Page. This is where you'll find a treasure trove of resources, handouts, CE information, and webinar recordings. Now let's talk about accessing your CE information. If you attended the training live, it's a breeze. Click on the Live Broadcast Attendee button and you'll be directed to a form. Fill in your full name, email address, and an affidavit to confirm your attendance. If you'd like, complete the optional evaluation form. Once submitted, your certificate will be automatically emailed to you. For those who watch the recording, click on the On-Demand Attendee button. This will lead you to a quiz based on the training, along with an optional evaluation. Pass the quiz with a minimum of 80% and your certificate will be sent straight to your email. And there you have it. You're now all set to explore and benefit from the wealth of information on your participant page. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy learning!